Namaste. Welcome to Pure Mindfulness. Today we will discuss how to overcome depression. Depression is the main mental and psychological problem. Depression means yourself truly want to change or better yourself. When you are depressed, you feel stressed. You are worried about your future and you don't want to do anything. You feel stuck in your life, but your inner self want to change your life. Your inner self want to better yourself. What is the main reason behind depression? Why we are depressed? Why we are stressed? Sometimes we are not very well because we feel stressed, depressed. Many of us want to overcome this stress and anxiety, panic attacks, and depression. If you want to truly overcome depression, you need to decide, I want to restart or recharge our life. How we can recharge or restart our life? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Before that, I will tell you why we are depressed. The main reason is we are living our past or our future. Our past is past. Our future is imagination. Our past and future is like image. We see this past and future in our brain, but it is not real. Real is now, present. Present moment is real. Whenever you live in your present moment, you work in present moment, practice mindfulness, you eat your food mindfully, it will digest good and it give you energy to your whole body and mind. It will nourish your soul also. Mindful walking and present moment living is help you to overcome depression. We most of the times our mental situation depends on others' opinions, others' approval. If other person appreciate us, we feel so happy. Someone hurt you, someone disrespect you, you feel sad, depressed, and you ask yourself why he or she behave like that, why she or he behave like to me, why are behaving, their behaving is their character. You just not react, just respond. Whenever you feel depressed, don't think your past or your future. Past is past. You think your past you cannot change, but you live in present moment. Your future is beautiful. Your future is very happy. Present moment is true. Present means you live in this moment. Don't wait for others' approval. Talk yourself. Spend with yourself. Self-talk. Affirmations. Positive affirmations. Daily. I am affirmations. Read daily. I am happy. I am healthy. I am peaceful. I will do my work honestly. These are the positive affirmations. Daily read at least 10 or 12 affirmations loudly. It will improve your mental condition. Also, think positive thoughts. Positive thinking help you to overcome depression. You can change your habits and add some new habits to your daily routine. Buddha said, your daily routine not change, your life will not change. You must change your habits to improve your life and overcome depression. Try this exercise, try these habits. Daily affirmations, daily meditation. Do meditation at least 1 minute. If you are successfully practice 1 minute meditation, increase the time of meditation. Just observe your breathing. Just live in present moment. If you are not able to meditate in closed eyes, you can also try walking meditation. Meditation help you to connect your body and soul. It will improve the energy, universal energy, increase the universal life force. It will help you to overcome depression. You can also daily prayer, morning, or before bed, anytime you can pray, or you can pray according to your religion. If you are a Hindu, you do puja. If you are a Christian, you do prayer, or Muslim, do daily meditation, and spend time with nature. Spending time with nature is relax your whole body and overcome to depression. If you want to overcome depression, you must forgive yourself. The main cause of depression, you are hurting yourself badly. This is true. Accept this. If you are living in past, your relationship issues, or your childhood abuses, whatever the reason, you must forgive yourself. You must understand. You must love yourself. Your body has so much strength. You are not understand. For example, if you are a student, if you are ready to prepare your exams and your exam day, you go to the exam hall, your body release stress hormones. You feel sick, headache, stomach pain, or vomiting sensation. Your body creates the sensations. Your body release the stress hormones. Or another example, if you are meet your friend, your very best friend, you feel very joyful, happy. Your body release happy hormones, joy hormones. It gives you glow in your face, smile in your face. First of all, you forgive yourself and start your life again. To simple changes, simple habits in your life. We all have made mistakes, but we are all learners. We are kids, we learn to walk. So many times we fall, again we stand and trying to walking. This is life. Don't take seriously. Try this. Self-confidence and self-love help you to overcome depression. Forgive yourself and forgive who hurt you, because it will help you to overcome those trauma or painful situations. You will live happily. Live happily. Try these simple exercises. Number 1, forgive yourself, and number 2, add habits like daily positive affirmations. Number 3, prayer or whatever your religion, according to your religion, do prayer or puja. Or number 4, love yourself, self love. Take some time, spend with your own self, like me time, and discuss with you, travel your inner self. It will help you to start your new life. Thank you for watching.